Hello, welcome students. In this session, we'll be discussing regarding pointers. Okay, so what a pointer is? A pointer is a special type of variable that holds the address of another variable. Okay, a pointer is a special type of variable that holds the address of another variable. So how a pointer looks like? Okay, you'll just see. Okay, we'll start off with a simple program, and with respect to that program I'll explain you what a pointer is. Okay, and various concepts related to pointer we'll be discussing in this session. Okay, so various concepts with respect to arithmetic operation on pointers and why pointers are used. Okay, so everything with respect to pointers we'll discuss. Okay, I'll start with a simple program. I'll just show you how a pointer has been declared in this program and what actually happens at the background when the pointer has been declared. So let's start with the text editor. Okay, the program is C++ program. Okay, just give the header. The simple program. So in this program I'll just show you how to declare a pointer. Okay, pointer is a special type of variable that holds the address of another variable. So the another variable can be of any type. It can be of any type in the sense of any data type. It can be of int, char, float, or it can be a user defined data type. Okay, a pointer can point or it can hold the address of any variable which belongs to any data type, let it be primitive data type, built-in data type, or user defined data type. Okay, in this case I'll be more discussing with respect to the built-in data types. Okay, so I'll declare a variable int a. Okay, and I declare a pointer variable int star p. Okay, so this is how a pointer has been declared. Okay, a pointer variable is always preceded by a asterisk operator. Okay, remember one thing, whenever you think about a pointer, there are two operators always associated with pointers. Okay, which are those two operators? It is ampersand and asterisk. Okay, so ampersand and asterisk are the two operators or two symbols that are always associated with the pointer. Okay, wherein the ampersand stands for address of operator, and asterisk stands for value at operator. Okay, so what that address of and what that value at we'll discuss when the entire program has been compiled and executed. Okay, and just with respect to this scenario, what the situation will be when you perform when you declare a variable int a memory block of 4 bytes get allocated to the variable a. Okay, suppose the address is 2000. It's just an assumption. Okay, it is not that the address will be 2000 itself. It can be anything. Okay, we are just assuming that the address of this block is 2000. Okay, so when you declare a pointer variable, again a memory block is been assigned to the pointer variable. Okay, and we'll assume that 8000 is the address for that pointer. Okay, now further how to make use of that pointer and how to initialize that pointer. Okay, to initialize the pointer, as I said, a pointer is a special type of variable which holds the address of another variable. Okay, so over here when I say p equal to ampersand a, okay, when I say p equal to ampersand a, the address of operator comes into picture, and address of a, okay, in this case address of a is what, 2000. Okay, this is just an assumption. Okay, but when we execute this program, you'll come to know what actually the addresses, internal memory locations and internal representation of memory with respect to the computer system. Okay, but in this case we are assuming that the address is 2000. Okay, so when I say p equal to ampersand a, okay, with respect to this diagram, p will have the value 2000. Okay, because what I am saying is p equal to ampersand a. Okay, p equal to ampersand a. Okay, now what happens with this operation is we give an alternative name for the variable a. Okay, it's also called as alias. Okay, an alternative name. An alternative name given to the variable a. Okay, so now we can refer to the variable a either by a itself, or you can refer a by a as star p also. Okay, so this memory location, okay, this memory location will be identified by variable a as well as star p. Means what? Star p, it's pointing at this address because it contains the address of variable a, so it is pointing not directly but indirectly to this memory location. A points directly to this location, p points indirectly to this location, so this operator is called as indirection operator. Okay, and pointers are called as indirection, the operation wherein the pointer indirectly refers to the memory location is called as indirection. Okay, so what, so this is our assumption. So what actually the computer system gives you the result, we'll just see. Okay, so at this point of time we are just assigning the address of a to p. Okay, now I can perform various operations like when I say a equal to 10, okay, I am assigning a value 10 to the memory location. Okay, so at this point of time I'll have 10 stored at this memory location. Okay, so you can refer to the value 10 either by a, or you can refer it by star p. Okay, so over here when you give the statement like cout of a, okay, equal to just a. Okay, only till here we'll just compile the program and see the output. Then later on we'll see what the value of star p will be, what the value of ampersand a will be, what the value of p will be. Okay, so we'll save the file. We'll save the file by a proper name like pointer dot cpp. Okay, so we'll compile this program. Make use of G++ compiler to compile any C++ program. Okay, G++, the program name was pointer.cpp. Okay, so there are no errors. Directly execute the program by command. Okay, so value of a, okay, what the output statement I have given, value of a equal to, okay, so at this point of time value of a is been printed. Okay, so a equal to 10 is been printed. We'll give one more printf statement, cout statement. Okay, just say cout of star p in this case. Okay, value of star p is what, we'll just say star p. Okay, so remember the statements which are enclosed in double quotes are meant for printing purpose. Okay, so whatever values are present in the variables are printed. Okay, after the insertion operator. Okay, after the first insertion operator, whatever there is a string that gets printed. After the second insertion operator, you a value of the variable gets printed. Okay, so over here, what is the value of star p? It is the value contained at the address where it is pointing. Okay, so p is pointing at address of a, so at address of a you have variable 10, so 10 gets printed at this position. Okay, we'll just see, save the file. Okay, again the value of star p is 10, again it has been printed as 10, because as I said, pointer is a alternate name given to a variable. In this case, there is a variable a, and with the help of address of operator, with the help of assigning the address of variable a to the pointer variable, we are giving the alternative name, that is star p. Okay, so star p will be the alternative name for the variable a. Okay, now we'll just see what actually these addresses are. Okay, so as I said, address of a has been assigned to p, so what actually that address of a is. Okay, we'll just see, can print the address of a. Okay, so address of a equal to, okay, you can make use of ampersand operator, okay, and just a. Okay, so using this ampersand operator, we can print the address of a. Okay, just say file, save. Okay, then recompile it. Okay, we'll recompile. Okay, just see what the output you will get. Okay, so value of a 10, first print cout statement, value of star p 10, second cout statement, third cout statement. Just observe carefully, this is the address. Okay, so this is the address of a. Okay, so now we'll just see what value p contains. Okay, as we are assigning the address of a to p, obviously the value contained in p will be again address of a itself. Okay, so cout, we'll just say value, not the address, value of p. Okay, so p equal to, just say p. Okay, don't give ampersand p, because uh, we are just checking what the value present in p. Okay, if I say ampersand p, it will give the address of p. Okay, not the address of a. Okay, so what value p contains, just save the file. Okay, recompile it. Okay, why I'm recompiling every time is because every time I'm making changes. Okay, any changes you make to the program should be affected, so you need to recompile the program if you have made any changes. Okay, just see the output. Okay, see over here, the address of a is 0xbf9c1f88. Okay, so addresses are in represented in hexadecimal. Okay, so this is the address of a, and value content of contained in p is again the same thing. Okay, so star p refers to what, the value contained in the address to which it is pointing. Okay, so p is pointing to address of a, so star p will refer to the value contained in that value contained in its address. Okay, so this is all about simple pointers. Okay,